Hey traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Now at this point, what to expect. So very simple point you need to look at. It's only pullback. It can be pullback of few candles followed by bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots till the price get to the next level of support, which I'm going to mention in a moment. So that is why I'm expecting another push up, less aggressive way with the pullback followed by bearish engulfer, and keep on going short till we are here in this zone below. So don't get alarmed if we have a big pullback happen due to oversold situation in the RSI, and that can be a correction of a big pullback, retest of the zone. And I've also mentioned that we can also get a possible double top pattern. If that happens, we have another sell signal, and then price will likely fall and start to make new lower lows. As you can see, we are making new lower lows consistently. Nice one. So as mentioned yesterday, prices consistently making new lower lows. So as you can see, once the price made a new low, we had a pullback, and then we had a price pushed lower, and then the price used this previous low as a level of resistance. Then we had a pullback to the same level, and then the price broke below the previous low, something like this. And now the price used the previous level right here that was recently broken the previous low and retest, followed by bearish engulfing pattern. So that is how the price action is now moving nicely in a downtrend. And as you can see, as mentioned yesterday, that I'll be waiting for the price to give us a pullback and a breather. That is very likely, and we had a pullback and a breather followed by bearish engulfing pattern. So that is also one of my reason to enter bearish engulfer, a swing high bearish engulfing pattern that happens below 50 EMA and below 20 EMA, and that is why I'm expecting a price to push lower, at least this previous low. And then once the price broke below this previous low, again something like this, we will use the previous level as a level of resistance or maybe a possible pullback, and keep on taking shots till the price gets to the level of support, which is right here. And in that case, I keep my take profit 1 ATR, which is something like this. ATR is a number right here you can see on the screen, which is 5 points. So I keep my initial targets 5 points, and then you can manage it till the previous low, something like this, and keep your stop loss above and take profit wherever you want to take it. It's totally up to you. This is just my opinion about the market, and please do not use my analysis as any sort of trading advice. This is something I personally use, and this is something I personally use for my own trading. So that's what I'm looking at for net gas. I'm expecting a price to make another low and keep on taking shots till we are in the level of support below. In case you missed it, it is 1.924 that goes to 2.046, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades with bullish engulfers, double bottoms, hammer candles, 382 candles. All these are my entry conditions. So keep an eye out. These are the conditions I'll be looking at. I'm not expecting some push down from natural gas. And again, I won't be surprised if we have another retest, forms a double top pattern within this previous structure, a similar move as crude oil, which I'm going to talk about in a very short while. So keep an eye here for your conditions. Next one, we have gold. So gold is now still in the level of support. I've mentioned a trend continuation zone bullish. Now at this point, as you can see, the price is in a process of forming a double bottom pattern, something like this. So keep your rejection zones like this, and I'll still wait for the price to come in this zone, reject from here. And if you have a bullish engulfers, 382 candles, hammer candles within this rejection box, in that case we have a buy signal. Still not taking any sell trades until we are completely broken below this low. Once that happens, in that case we have a confirmation that price wants to continue to push lower in a trend. So keep an eye here. We can get a possible condition like a double bottom pattern. I know that zone has been broken, but just one candle broke below the zone doesn't make me to use the zone as a bearish zone. I want to see a good momentum, at least 2 red candles broke below the zone, to use the zone as a trend continuation zone bearish to take my sell trades. For now, I'm still waiting for the price to give me a reason to enter for buy trades. Only once we have that, we are good to go long from here, and stop loss will be below the pattern. Once we have a condition, take profit wherever you want to take it, or your initial targets can be 1 ATR, which is right here, $10 at this point. Next one, we have silver. Is now about to get to the level of support, a good area of value, which is right here, 22.25 that goes to 22.57. Once the price gets to the zone, I want to see a bullish engulfers, double bottom, hammer candles. All these are my buy conditions. Once the price gets to my level, I will look for my buy conditions. So keep an eye here. I'm still waiting for the price to get to my zone to take my buy trades. Only for now, not looking for any buy trades till we are in the zone below in green. So last one, we have crude oil. Is now pushing lower nicely, as you can see, as mentioned in my yesterday's video, that I'll be looking to enter my sell trade. We already had a signal, which is a bearish engulfing pattern, and that played out nicely. Price is pushing lower, and we also had a double top condition. That was a less aggressive way that pushed the price lower, and that is enough to hit your targets if you have entered this trade. And let me show you what I've said in my last video so that you can understand conditions and entries. And we had a pullback followed by bearish engulfing pattern. So So this is one of my sell signal as well that happens below 50 EMA. At this point I'm expecting some push down at least this previous low. Once we have that, I want to see another break below this low to take another pullback entry. Awesome. So what a nice push down as mentioned yesterday. That is how we enter the trade with conditions without any sort of guessing game. At this point we are a zone below, which is a level of major support, which is 66.00. that goes up to 67.85, a zone. Once the price gets to my zone, I look for bullish engulfers, double bottom, hammer candle, 382 candle, whatever you want to call it, for my bullish trades. Once we are in the zone, I will only look for my buy trade. For now, once the price broke below this low, and if it gives us a pullback, I'll still look for another sell trade till we are in the zone below in green. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always email me at support@thewaitofmoneymarkets.net. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.